So we are live now, right? Okay. So hello, welcome to this part two of series word video where we are building this real-time chess game in Flutter and Express.js. Cool. So yesterday I was streaming live and I was stuck in a problem that I was not able to emit the event like on move. Yeah, when on move, yeah, we were here, and when on move, this event not emitting. Okay, so it was not going to the server. But actually, the thing is, what I was doing earlier is that I was having this as a map here, and I was doing something like this. Okay, so the thing is that this is wrong because this is not right because wait, and actually why the event was not emitting, I don't know. I just tried again and found there was an issue related to this. I was getting an exception here, let me here uh, yeah, this here, because the thing is why I was getting this exception was that when I was moving this pawn from this place to another, this place to this one, so the this move dot from was some integer value like 35, and this was like just say 51. Okay, so it was like that, and in here I was trying to earlier I thought that they were in letters like D2 to D2 D4 something like that, so I didn't knew, and I was adding them here like from plus data move to, so and those numbers were adding up. Okay, so 35 plus 51 is equals to 86, so it was trying to move 86, so which is not a valid move. Okay, so that's why there was I got some exception here, but so to fix this what I did was uh, let's undo this. Instead of this sending move, I was using this algebraic. Okay, so what this will do is I'll show you. Okay, and let me restart this, and I will fix one more. There's a one issue here that whenever I restart this connections doesn't reset. So uh, what I mean that this player in the game manager, this player still holds the value of a WebSocket which was assigned earlier, so we have to fix that. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, just give me a second, and currently I'll show you this, that this play game, this is player 1, and now this is player 2. Wait, they didn't join. Why did they didn't join? Why they didn't join? Okay, why they didn't join? Because in Android, this issue is coming in Android emulator, not in iOS emulator. I have no idea why. The thing is, the issue is this: the WebSocket channel exception, that it is not able to connect to this server. Why? Because instead of this local host, we have to use the IP address. So 192 dot. So you can check the local IP address using command like ifconfig or ipconfig based on the OS, and if you check 192.168.29.32. So if I use this instead of this local host and restart it, let's restart this also. So play game and play game. So see the issue, the issue you got, right? So the issue is that since we started here, we restarted these both app here. What happened is that first I clicked the join button, the play game button, so this connection was made, and this connection was made. So this earlier this iPhone got connected to the player, connected to the server, and player one was assigned to this, but this wasn't okay. So when I restarted, so this player one still hold the value of this server, though I restarted the server, but restarted this app, but the connection wasn't the connection was broken, but we didn't reset this player one value. Okay, so we have to reset that, so that's why I have to restart it again and again, so that this is empty. Okay, so let's restart again, and hopefully this error won't be visible. I'll fix that issue also. So this is player 1 and this will be player 2. Okay, so player 1 got white and player 2 got black. Okay, so now when I will make a move, so player 1 to this move, so now we'll see that we got d2 to d2 d4 from 2. Okay, so this is what I need. So what I have to do is we have to when I make this move now, we have to emit this event. So emit this event from the server to player 2, so that we can show this event here, so that this can move here. Okay, so this can move here. Okay, what happened here? Something is not okay. I think it what something happened. So okay, let's just restart and okay. So the thing is that when I made a move d2 to d4, I have to emit that. Okay, okay, so we are making this move. So what to do now? Let's see what we can do is we can have okay, right now I have to emit this, right? Emit this event. We are sending the information. I think we are sending the information. See this one. Let's just check that are we receiving this event or not. Any here. So let's just see that we are channel.stream.listen. We are listening to this, and we are passing the data. Parsing the data here, and let's console print debug print the data. Dot data. We will check that. We will see that. We will know that. Not the best job. Okay, so this is player 1 and red is player 2. And why did it started? Because definitely I'm going to fix that issue first, that it resets. And red is player 1, is player 2. Come on, what happened? Why it is not working? So are we getting some? Okay, we are getting some error here. Okay, we have started. So let's make this move. So Android should have received this event. Okay, Android received this event. See, Android received this event. So are we emitting event data? We are emitting this event mode, right? So if data event is equal to move, then we have to make a move. So we can maybe I think we can call this new function, but we don't want this. We don't want it will. No. We want to call this function, right? We want to make squares flow, and so let's just see. This will definitely I have to make a move. So how do I make a move? Let's see if there's any documentation here. Game dot make random move is here. Let's just say game dot make random move. Okay, so this will make a random move. We don't want to make this random move. I'm just checking. I just what I want is that this move string d2 d4 which I have received here, uh, d2 d4, how do I pass it to this? Okay, we don't have move object. Okay, I don't have move object, so I have to check the documentation. What is this G? G dot get move. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's see. Algebraic. So yeah. So this is bishop dot move. Okay. And let's see if we can pass this or not. Okay. Let's move. Okay. And we cannot pass it. Okay. Let's Does squares have make move functionality? Nope. Okay, so what I'm trying to do exactly is the move which I'm receiving here, I want to pass it to this one. So I'm having compatibility issue, right? So this move is coming from squares and this move is coming from the bishop. So how I am okay, make a move, that's it. Oh, not make move. Okay, does this works? Okay. We wait the move, and now what it will result? It will return a result. So bool result equals to, if result, then update the state. Let's just hope this works. So we restarted it and we restarted it and let's restart this. Let's play game and play game. So this is why and we got the error. What error we got? A string is not a subtype of event move data. Okay, data move and data move like this. Let's play game and let's play game and we made a move here and oh wow, it reflected and okay, it was reflected here but it rotated. Why it rotated? D7 D5. And when we when we move D7 D5, it Okay, one issue at a time. So we are having two issues right now. That when I made the move from here to here, so I received the move here, but this board got rotated. I want to know why this. Does this player got updated? Alright, let's test it again. Okay. So play game and play game. Okay, so now uh, let's just see. Okay, so what I did is I made a move here. So for pixel 8, yes, I received the event here. So data event is move, and data is d2 d4. Okay, so move is equals to null, move is not equals to null. So result is true. This is a move, and the player is 1. Player is 1. 1 means black. Okay, so and we will test it here, and we will have a debugger here to see if player value got changed somehow. So player is 1, squares dot. I don't understand why this got rotated. I think it's just rotating because of this logic here. Player 2 is iOS 1. Okay, so player is 0, square root is 0, and the player 2, okay, this one is 1, and square root is 0, so it will be flipped. So if I make this move, this is understand why is this flipping. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Just a minute. Yeah. Okay. So we are having this data white color black. Okay, let's just solve another problem. The thing is that if I make a move black here, then event is triggered, but nothing happened. Why? Why nothing happened? Okay, let's just test if this handler is assigned. Okay, so we have to make sure that this function is triggered for this console log is triggered for both, not one. Right, here is there. Okay, this and okay, so this got triggered and this was triggered for both of them. Fine. Wait, I think I got the issue here. I think I got the issue here. See, we are fetching this game for where player 1 is socket. Okay, so what do you mean? Okay, let me show you again. Console log game. Okay, so this has to print for both, right? This one is supposed to print for both, but it won't. Why? Let me show you. Okay, so player 1 and player 2. Okay, so let's make a move. I made the move here and this game was printed, right? And this game is printed player 1. Okay, move is due to before, and now if I go to black and make a move here, it is undefined. So this game is undefined. Why? Because this is compared to player 1, but for player 2 socket will be equals to player 2, so we made a mistake here. We did made a mistake here. How to solve it? Okay, give the player to your socket. Will this make sense? So now here we go, and it triggered. Okay, so the base mode it's triggering, but only problem is that for player 2 this is good is rotating, and we have to figure it out why. And let's wasn't updated. Okay, this was player 2. All right, so it's working, right? Yeah, amazing, right? Amazing, right? This is player 2, Android is player 1, Android is player 1. So now this is player 2. Wow, it works like a charm. So we are having a uh, real time game. So works great. It's cool, right? This is cool. So now cool. I have like started playing game. Okay, so the thing is, this works. And fine, you can play game. Okay, black smokes. Okay, so okay, so this is working, right? So now what we have to do is we have to fix this rotation. How I can fix this rotation. Can you guys tell me that why this is rotating? Why is this rotating? I have no idea. And this is happening for the first time only, not multiple another times. Not another time. So this works. If I come over again, and it is not rotating. This works for the first time only. Why? I mean, this is breaking for the first time only. Why? If we make a random move like this, keyboard square steps. Generates a legal editor is the one that matches algebraic returns none if no move is found. And okay, just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Come on, why it is rotating? I have no idea. For first time it's rotating, not for other time. Why? Anyone seeing this and knows the answer, and do update me please. Right now I'm totally blank. Okay, so I'm connected to WebSocket server here. I enter the URL, connect this, then radio, wait for the radio, then we are listening the message here and listening to events. First event is game start, then what I'm doing is loading false and data color white if the color is white. Then player is squares.white, otherwise player is squares.black. Cool. And after that, when I'm receiving no event, then the result is game dot. If there's any rotate code, okay, let's just have this squares dot code. That's it. Nothing else. Whoa! It worked. It means there was no need for the board to flip. Wow. Hey, that board needed to flip. Come on, man, don't do this to me. Why did you rotate it for the first time only? What if play state? try. There will be some minor mistake which I'm not able to pick up. Exactly, we're doing the same thing here and we're not updating our player square state. Player state. system. People only one. Player 1 and squares root white is 0, so 1 is not equals to white, so it will be flipped. Alright, so it will be like this. So player plus 1, so that's 0, so it should be flipped. Orientation is the hell is going on? I can't really understand what is going on exactly. So player is 1, squares dot white is calculation is 0. So every orientation is 0. I think this logic is wrong. I think this logic is wrong. I think this logic is wrong. What if we remove this from here and then we have this. What do you say? That is the only thing that is the only issue that I can find right now. Alright, I hope this works. it won't work right now because there's one more issue that I'm going. This one, this issue. This to be first. Now this should work. Most probably. So play game and play game. Uh-oh. This this didn't work. Why? But why? Why? Let's just debug one more time. So this is spread 1 and this is spread 2. The event is game start. So now player is 1 because the player was spread. Okay, white and white. Oh my goodness. Squares not go controls. Let's just see. Let's just see. Yes. I think we are getting there. I think I found my mistake and let's okay we got this and we finally solved it. God, finally we did it. I told you, there was only a single, there was like a single small typo or something that it works. So we have made live server, right? So what is the next thing we can do? What's the next thing we can do? So what's the next thing we have to do? There are like lots of stuff we have to do. First, see if we are not storing, this is in-game, we are using in-game memory to store all these data. So which is not good because we want to store. What if, okay, let's just say this game is ongoing. Okay, this game is ongoing and suddenly let's say game crashed and it restarted. What do you think will happen? Started this white's turn, right? So if I move, it didn't work. Why? It didn't work. Why? Because it not to work because the instance, because the game, it was in memory. So when I committed server, then it was lost when I started it. So nothing is there. So that's why nothing happened. So what if there are lots of games going on? There are games going on and suddenly server crashed. And let's just say in few seconds it restarted. So players should be able to resume, right? So that can do. And we can make this better, like we can show moves list, like in this game. If the mobile view, if you put the mobile view, let's play in the mobile view. Play. So we can show this, and this moves next. I'm showing this movie, should show this moves next. Mistake. So we can have this, and we can have option to design also. So we have two attackers on this part and one defender over this one is defending. So we have to save him. Oh, my bad. I left this bishop hanging. And oh, I thought I was playing bad. Oh, you won. Alright, so next thing to do is to add timer, because we don't want user to wait for another time. So we will start with this 10 minutes time, and later we can add the other stuff like 5 minutes, or with time with increment of with few seconds or whatever. So let's just take the 10 minutes time. So where do I add this timer? Okay, this is column expanded, this is center, and board controller. So if I have to want to add a timer, so it should be about one above board controller and one below board controller. So what if I wrap it with column? It might break. Okay, that's cool. So let's say main axis alignment or center. Okay, fine. This is fine. Okay, so let's add timer. Child, what will be the child? Text, right? With text and not text only, with icon, with the icon also. So you can wrap it with row, and here I can add timer command 10 colon 0. Okay, so continue other. This feels much better. Okay, so now we can have icon here. background, black text with white background will be a little bit difficult, right? So for now this will work. Can increase the timer size obviously. Plus 20. It is fine. We change according later. So how do we start this timer? We cannot maintain this timer on the client side. We have to maintain our start our timer on the server side. So in this game we will have a start time. Okay, so why not we continue this later, because I've already, it's more than 1.5 days, almost 1.5 hours. So okay, maybe tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow we can, I'll be online again, and around this time only, around maybe 1 p.m. something. Okay, fine, we'll continue tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.